Hello everyone, mustiye kwiga itandukaniro riri hagati ya everybody, somebody, anybody, everything, something, anything n'andi magambo ameze gutyo. Uyu munsi ndakwereka itandukaniro riri hagati ya magambo kuko iyo uyasoma uba wumva ameze kimwe gusa ubusobanuro bwayo ndakubwiza kuri ko atari bumwe. So mbere ko dutangira kora subscribe, share, comment kugira ngo utajya ucikwa n'andi masomo ameze nk'ayanga dushyira kuri iyi channel, cause we always upload in new videos that can help you to speak English great. And tell me in the comment section what we can study next time. Let's jump into the lesson of the day. Iyo dutangiriyeho ni everywhere. Everywhere ivuga ahantu hose. Everywhere, ahantu hose. Example, I looked everywhere. Nashakiye ahantu hose. I looked everywhere. Nashakiye ahantu hose. Anywhere, ahantu hose, aho ariho hose. Ahantu hose cyangwa se aho ariho hose. Anywhere. Example, you can sit anywhere you want. Ushobora kwicara aho ariho hose ushaka. You can sit anywhere you want. Go dushobora kuba dufite nk'imyanya irenze 2 cyangwa 3 gukomeza ukawabwira umuntu ngo ushobora kwicara ahantu hose ushaka, wavuga ngo you can sit anywhere you want. Somewhere tuyikoresha iyo tuvuga ku mwanya umwe, one place. Iyo turimo tuvuga ku mwanya umwe, ahantu hamwe. Somewhere tuvuge ushaka kumentioninga muri Kigali gusa cyangwa se Igisenyi cyangwa ahandi hantu hose waba utuye, ushaka kuvuga ko ari aho hantu gusa, wakoresha somewhere. Example, she is somewhere in Kigali. Ari ahantu runaka muri Kigali, ariko aho hantu ntabwo uba uzi neza ahariho, but Uziko ari muri Kigali gusa kubera ko Kigali iba ifite ahantu henshi cyane, ntabwo twamenya ngo ari mu we murenge cyangwa se uwe mudugudu. Ikurikeni everybody, buri muntu wese. Everybody, buri muntu wese. Example, everybody was happy. Buri muntu wese yari yishimye. Everybody were happy. Buri muntu wese yari yishimye. Anybody, umuntu uwo ari we wese. Anybody, umuntu uwo ari we wese. Can anybody tell me why? Hari umuntu wambwira impamvu? Can anybody tell me why? Hari umuntu wambwira impamvu? Somebody, umuntu runaka. Umuntu runaka. Ubwo turi kuvuga umuntu gusa tutavuze izina rye, aho dukoresha somebody. Example, somebody wanted you. Hari umuntu wagushakaga. Somebody wanted you. Hari umuntu wagushakaga. Everything, buri kintu cyose cyangwa se ibintu byose. Everything, buri kintu cyose cyangwa se ibintu byose. Example, everything is fine. Buri kimwe kimeze neza. Everything is fine. Everything needs hard work. Buri kintu cyose gisaba gukora cyane. Something, ikintu runaka gusa akaba ari ikintu kimwe. Something. Example, I want to tell you something. Hari ikintu nshaka kukubwira. Anything, ikintu icyo ari cyo cyose. Example, you can ask me anything. Wambaza ikintu cyari cyo cyose. You can ask me anything. Everyone, buri muntu wese. Everyone, buri muntu wese cyangwa se abantu bose. Everyone is here. Buri muntu wese ari hano. Everyone is here. Everyone was waiting for you. Buri muntu wese yari agutegereje. Everyone was waiting for you. someone, umuntu runaka. Someone, gusa uwo muntu runaka ntabwo tuba tuzi ngo ninde. Someone, umuntu gusa utazi ngo ninde. Example, someone is calling you. Someone is calling you. Hari umuntu uri kuguhamagara. Ubwo uwo muntu uguhamagara nimero ye ntabwo isevinze, ukaba utari kubasha kubona izina rye ngo ninde, bavuga ngo someone is calling you. Someone you don't know. Someone you don't know. Umuntu utazi. Someone you don't know. Every time. Buri gihe. Every time. Buri gihe. Every time you do the same. Every time you do the same. Buri gihe ukora ibintu bimwe. Every time when I see you I smile. Buri gihe iyo nkubonye ndaseka. Every time when I see you I smile. Hari nk'umuntu ugukunda, igihe wamubona ugaseka, you can tell her these sentences. Every time when I see you I smile. Anytime. Igihe icyo ari cyo cyose. Anytime. Igihe icyo ari cyo cyose. Call me anytime. Umpamagare igihe icyo ari cyo cyose. Call me anytime. Sometime. Rimwe na rimwe. Sometime. Rimwe na rimwe. We sometime wait for bus. Rimwe na rimwe dutegereza imodoka. We sometime wait for bus. This is the end of our video and I hope you enjoy. If you are, please subscribe. See you next time. May God bless you. Love you.